So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can model this glass table under 2 minutes using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And before starting the tutorial guys, I just want to tell you, if you want to do practice on this project file, so you can download this project file from the description. That will be free for my all subscriber. And if you found this file and this video useful for you, so make sure to hit the like button. So now let's start the tutorial. So first of all, I'm just going to delete everything pressing the A, and then I'm just going to add one cylinder here, and make sure you change this cap fill type as a triangle fan. And after that I'm just going to scale it something like that and something like that as well. Yeah, it's look fine. And make sure you apply the scale as well. And then you have to add the one subdivision modifier pressing the Ctrl 2, and then you have to just go to the edit mode of this cylinder and just select the all side edges, and then you have to just do bevel pressing the Ctrl B, and you will find something like that. And then after that you have to just apply the shade smooth. Yeah, and after that you have to just duplicate this cylinder pressing the Shift D and going to scale it something like that, and then you have to just scale it little bit something like that. So it will basically create a that kind of shape. You have to just keep it here, and after that you have to duplicate one more time this shape, and right now you have to just scale it little bit more, and then you have to just scale it something like this. So it will create a that leg part basically, and when you create this leg part, you have to just keep it here. So now I'm just going to set this origin point as a 3D cursor. Yeah, so now I will rotate this. It will rotate like this. So I'm just going to rotate it 20 degree. Going to do duplicate pressing the Shift D, and make sure you rotate it also. Yeah, it's look like something like this. After that you have to just select both of these rods and then do Shift D and rotate it 90 degrees something like this. Here you can see it will look like this. And after that you have to just switch your viewport shading mode. So after that you have to just add the glass texture on it, and I have just used the basic glass shader. Okay, I just increase the specular value and decrease the roughness value something like this. And don't worry about the all the texture and shader, because you will get all the shader and texture along with this file. So make sure to download this project file. Okay, so after that I'm just going to add the plastic on this side, and then I will add the one steel material here. And after that I'm just going to select the other legs, and after that I will select this material one, then I will do Ctrl L and link as a material. So here you can see. So after that you have to just add the light on your scene and add the one plane behind this table, and when you take the render it will look like this. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.